I'm Peter Just, Director of Integrated Systems and Operations at DelCor Technology Solutions. I think with any MSP, the main pain points for us are documentation, consistency, across diverse number of clients. We have a large number of clients. We're all trying to introduce a lot of standardization into a lot of chaos. So that's where automation really can be successful as long as the standardization is there. We went with Rewst versus some of the other platforms out there is because of the MSP focus, because it supported many of the other platforms that we had already invested in. So it just seemed like a natural conclusion to choose Rewst versus some other platform where we would have to reinvent the wheel or spend a lot of time trying to just make it work. Rewst has freed us up to focus on other things. Some of the menial tasks that we've been able to reduce or eliminate, relate to ticket management, also asset management. The advice I would give to an MSP starting out with automation is to take your time and look for early wins. When we adopted Rewst, one of the earliest things that we did was start to use the user onboarding and offboarding crates. Once those were dialed in and we got those working the way that we wanted to, it started to snowball because we saw the success with those crates. Another company asked me if automation was worth it. I would tell them that it definitely is, especially in the MSP space. Our work is full of manual processes. There are a lot of just little opportunities along my day for improvement and for automation. It's just a matter of investing the time.